Good day, ma'am. I am Jose Yasis, and this is my VMGO recitation video. A premier science and technology university in Southeast Asia. The university is committed to providing inclusive, innovative, and internationally recognized degree programs that proactively respond to community and industry needs through the sustainable integration of its core functions. Empowering multi-stakeholders to address regional and national development within the dynamic context of the global knowledge economy and the Industry 5.0. Based on the university vision mission, it will articulate a sustained quality higher education system within the Philippines in alignment with SUC leveling and other national and international standards. Develop innovative industry-responsive academic programs that foster strong local, national, and international partnerships with key stakeholders, students, faculty, industry, community, and academic partners, aligned with regional, national, and global development priorities. Visual vitalize, vitalize internal resource generation and technopreneurship initiatives driven by its intellectual assets to ensure the university's long-term financial sustainability and growth. Achieved and sustained high national and international university rankings through excellence in instruction, research, research, extension, and production. Nurture comprehensive information technology, physical infrastructure, and human resource development programs aimed at enhancing talent, professional growth, and instructional capability to attain optimal operational efficiency. Cultivate a culture disaster resilient and sensitized community guided by innovation, excellence, and world-class standards, and engage actively in sustainable practices and impactful community collaboration aligned with cultural preservation and valuing humanity as the innermost core of society. By the end of 2030, the university will have transformed visionary leadership in innovation to accelerate regional and national development in the context of modern industrial revolution. Increased access to economically challenged but deserving students to, to relevant, quality, and world-class tertiary education with learning integration of practical experiences to achieve inclusive and sustainable growth. Foster globally competitive, research-intensive university that encourages collaboration across different fields to drive high-impact research, innovation, and sustainable economy. Fourth, instituted innovative systems resulting in effective, efficient, sustainable, and equitable resource generation, mobilization and management, including optimal utilization of resources provided by the government, and expansion of other revenues and funding streams for financial sustainability. Fifth, heightened heightened sustainable community stakeholder engagement with harmonized institutional, financial, administrative, and policy frameworks that attain the highest academic research, extension, resource generation excellence standards, and forge strategic local and international linkages, partnerships, and initiatives leading to a heightened regional and global role in the context of modern industrial revolution and human and intellectual capital for sustained development.